To be doing, we're going to be making the richest, the flavorful, and the extremely mouth-watering velvet cake. Hello you guys, how you guys doing? We thank the Lord for yet another opportunity to be in the comfort of our home, right in our kitchen. We bless the name of the Lord. Today, do you know what we're going to be doing? We're going to be doing the red velvet cake. Simply rich, and it is so colorful. Come, let's make it together. God bless you. For our ingredients, we are going to be using oil, and our oil is 3 cups of oil, 5 cups of all-purpose flour, 4 large eggs, vanilla. We have 2 vanilla teaspoon. It should be your teaspoon. Vinegar, 2 teaspoon of vinegar. We have soda, 2 teaspoon of soda. We have 4 teaspoon of color red. Make sure it's the red rich color. And we have salt. We have 2 teaspoon of salt, cocoa powder, 2 teaspoon of cocoa powder. Then we have 2 cups of sugar. The last ingredient is our buttermilk, liquid milk, and you're going to be using 400 ml of buttermilk. So that is all the ingredients we'll be using for our red velvet cake is listed. So let's get into the mixing and the bringing them together. The first thing that we're going to do is to add up all the dry ingredients together and the wet ingredients too. So let's do it. Flour is already sifted. Make sure your flour is sifted. So I picked my sift, and I'm going to be adding my cocoa powder in. Make sure it's sifted in. I'm adding in my baking soda. I don't want anything wasted. And I'm going to add in my salt. If you have a big strainer, oh sorry, my strainer will not take the sugar, so I'm going to be adding in my sugar. Everything goes in. That is all our dry ingredients. Everything goes in. Well mixed to combine. So I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to be doing my milk. Milk goes into my bowl. My oil goes into my bowl. That's not necessary. This is not necessary yet. Eggs. Be sure of your egg. Okay, before my egg. That goes in. My egg go in. One. 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to be adding my color. Scrape it out. I'll add in my vanilla. I've already added my vinegar, I didn't see it. So I've added all my dry ingredients. So I'm just going to whisk it with my stand mixer. You see how red? I just want to give it a good whisk. So I'm going to be adding in my dry ingredients now. Ingredients goes in. And I'm just going to whisk as it is. And keep pouring in as we do. So I'm going to pour in the rest. You can see that is well mixed and so rich in color. This is what we're looking for. It's not running, but it's okay. This is what we're looking for. So now we're going to be baking. Oiled and lined. My baking pan is oiled and you can see the lining. I've lined it with non-stick sheet. So I'm going to pour half of it here. Half of it in this pan, in the next pan. And well scraped. And make sure that your oven is already ready for baking. Scrape down everything. Okay, be sure it's equal so that it can bake evenly. 45 minutes. So let's take it to our oven. Velvety cake is ready. If you want to know if your cake is ready, you dip a knife in, and once it comes out clean, that means it's ready. Thumbs up, share and subscribe, turn on your notification bell. God bless you.